Top 5 Best Cutting Board Sets. Chop like a pro with these top 5 cutting board sets. From slicing and dicing to chopping and mashing, a cutting board provides a sturdy, flat workspace that protects your countertop from being damaged by your knife. It can also be used as a serving tray or as a trivet for a hot dish. Whether you need to carve a roast chicken or prep cocktail garnishes, you'll find a diverse array of boards to choose from in many sizes, shapes, and materials.
Best belay devices. Best belay devices for climbing rock walls.
OXO Good Grips 2-piece.
Wooden serving boards for kitchen. Gorilla Grip Durable Kitchen Cutting Board.
The Gorilla Grip Cutting Boards. Durable rubber border helps keep the board in place. Larger and thicker than most brands to help make meal prep easier. Deep juice grooves help catch runoff juices. Reversible for double the use.
Joseph Index Plastic Cutting Crazy Sale.
To think about where you want, Bucky down gone. Where you want that fire down man? Where you want, Bucky down gone? Get to think about where you want, Bucky down gone. Where you want that fire down man? Where you want, Bucky down gone? Get to think about.
Visit our site.